Question number 21. Question number 21 says in the diagram PQRS are points on the circle. We are told RQS is equals to 30 degrees, PRS is equals to 50 degrees, and PSQ is equals to 20 degrees. The question says find x degrees plus y degrees. From this particular circle, we are told that we need to realize something interesting. We need to remember the fundamentals of circle geometry. We need to realize that angles in the same segment, just look at this particular figure I have down here. I have A and I have E. Angle A should be equals to angle E, reasons angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. I have angle B and I have angle C. They are vertically opposite. They are also going to be equal. I also need to realize that if I do have a triangle, let's imagine I have triangle A, B, C. A triangle more looking like this. This is the triangle ABC. I brought it out. We also need to realize that the sum of angles in a triangle will be equal to 180. So that means A plus the combination of D and F plus Q will be equal to 180 degrees. That should guide our solution in this particular question. So do you realize that if this is y degrees, the angle here should also be y degrees since they are vertically opposite. And also do you need to realize that if this is 30 degrees, that is angle, if I have angle SQR to be equals to, will be equal to angle SPR. That is, the angle here should be equal to the angle there. We need to realize that. So that means if this is 30 degrees, the angle here should also be 30 degrees, as you can see from the diagram. So that means 30 degrees will be the value of both angles. So if this is 30 degrees and this is 50 degrees, now how do we find x? Do we notice we have a triangle? So we could say from triangle PSR. What are the angles in triangle PSR? 30 degrees, 20 plus x degrees, and 50 degrees. We could therefore say that the sum of those angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So we could say 30 plus 20 plus x plus 50 degrees would be equals to 180 degrees. So the goal is to find x. So therefore I would have, adding up everything, 30 plus 20 plus 50, that will give me 100 plus x is all equals to 180 degrees. So therefore I would have x would therefore be equals to 180 minus 100, and therefore I'll have the value of x to be equals to 80 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 80 degrees. So that means the value of x here is 80 degrees. Now we need to find the value of y, but we do realize that x and y are also in the same triangle. Do we notice that we have a triangle here? If this is the center O, we have a triangle. This is the triangle. I could call this the center O. If this is center O, I could therefore say that triangle SOR. What are the sum of the angles in such triangle SOR? Now we could therefore have that x plus y plus 50 in triangle SOR should be equal to 180 degrees. We recall that the value of x is 80, so I would have 80 plus y plus 50 should be equals to 180 degrees. So therefore I would have the value of y to be equals to 180 minus 80 plus 50 will give me 130 degrees. So that means therefore the value of y would therefore be equals to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. That would give me 50 degrees. So therefore x degrees plus y degrees would therefore be equals to, x is 80 degrees, I would have 80 degrees plus 50 degrees. 80 plus 50 degrees, that will be equals to 130 degrees. And scanning through the options, that corresponds to option B.
Did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 080-59-811-502 or 090-3532-1117.